So in this class we'll try to see how we can use the set interface in Java. Okay, so let me write a small demo program using sets. So I say new class and I type demo set, public static void main, and here I'll say set my colors equal to new hash set. Now I see some errors. It says hash set cannot be resolved to a type and set cannot be resolved to a type. In Eclipse, what I can do is I can press Ctrl Shift and M and can import the type for that. Similarly, I can do the same thing for the set, Ctrl Shift M, and I can import the java.util.set. Okay, now I have this set. Now I'll add some things to this set. My colors dot add, and let's add a string type to this. So let's say red. Add green now to it. And to print this set, what I can do is I can say my colors This is a new construct in Java called for each construct. So what you do in this is you put the collection on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you specify the object. Okay, now it says type mismatch, cannot convert from element type object to string. When you use a new hash set and you say new set, it doesn't know what type of objects it contains. So I want to introduce another concept called generics in Java. You can say that this set contains only string objects. So this class also has to be the same type. Now what's happening is you are saying that this set of my colors contains a set of string objects. Let's say you want integer objects. You can say integer. But it has to be the same thing on both sides. Now this hash set is a hash set of integers and this set is a set of integers. So if you want to revert it back, you can get back, and then to print it out you say each color right. Now let's run this program. Run as Java application, and it has added all those colors to that set, and I'm iterating over that collection by using this for each construct. Okay, there's another way you can iterate over this collection. You can say my colors dot iterator, and iterator is not yet imported, so press Ctrl Shift and M and you can import it. And then my iter dot has there's a method called my iter dot has next, and then you can run this inside of a loop, and since this is a this my colors object contains a set of strings, you can create this also as a generic, and then you can say it's an iterator that iterates over strings. And this is my iter, It has to be uppercase I. So as long as it has another element in the collection, it will continue executing this. Then you say myiter.next, and then I can put a syso, and I can print it out. So here I'll say syso printing the set using an iterator. So now we have printed this program using the enhanced for loop and also using the iterator. But if you notice one thing, I added red first, followed by yellow, followed by green. But see the order in which it printed. It printed red, next was green and not yellow, because the set does not guarantee the order of the elements. Okay. So now let's do one more thing. Let's add a duplicate to this set. Let me add red again. Okay, and I'll run this program. Even though I added it twice, when it printed, it ignored it, because the second add would have probably ignored it. Now let me add a null element to this list, to this set. And how do you add null? Say null, and then run it. And now you'll see that it contains, the set contains a null value also. Try adding one more null. It will still contain only one null, because the set can contain only one null, because a set cannot have duplicates in it. So this is how you add elements to a set and access the elements in the set.